22 years, Jimmy's Seafood Buffet has been serving a delicious, fresh array of seafood full of Caribbean flavor. On our buffet, you will find unique seafood options as well as traditional southern fare and made-to-order desserts. We work hard every day to make sure you have the freshest local seafood possible. We are not only an eat-in buffet, we also offer takeout options. Go online and order one of our many buckets or dinners to go. Jimmy's offers a unique outdoor area with cornhole, live music, and even a petting zoo. With over 100 choices, Jimmy's Seafood Buffet is a great stop for an all-you-can-eat seafood experience.